What is happening, guys? Welcome back. So, as you can see by the thumbnail and title of the video, we need to have a bit of a chat. We've mostly moved out of the workshop. If you've been following the series we've had been going on, we've been building ourselves a new workshop at home in the garden, and we are mostly moved out. There's a few odds and sods left in here, and we need to take some banners down off the wall. But what I want to have a talk to you about in this episode is the Mk2 Golf going on a Beetle chassis project. Now, this was just, it came about last year. Ben from Nutjob down near Shoreham, near Heritage Park Centre. We got chatting. He said he'd got a Mk2 Golf if I wanted it for free. So we went and had a look at it. Thought, yeah, do you know what? For free, we'll have it. Got it back. It was probably a bit worse than we thought. Rust-wise, it was not worth, or isn't worth, restoring back to a normal Mk2 Golf and putting it on the road. It was just that far gone. So we took the decision that we were going to cut it all out and put it onto a Beetle pan, which is what I've always wanted to do. And yeah, we were all excited, started running away with that, and I think we only got like 1 or maybe 2 episodes out. We got loads of parts in for it. Heritage Park Centre sponsored it, and I had a pallet full of suspension stuff and chassis stuff ready to get it all mated together and sorted out. And then we didn't touch it for quite a few months. And now I've made a decision on what is going on with the Mk2 on a Beetle pan project. And that is that we're not going to continue with it. Now, I know I'm going to get a load of abuse on here for it, of thank you, kids crying, can't believe that you're not doing that. And I imagine there'll be a lot of expletives as well. But at the end of the day, I just don't feel, in my head, I just can't get my head around actually doing it as I do. I got a bit carried away with it. And yeah, to be honest, the car, it's that bad. The floor's okay, you'll cut out, sills need sorting out. But when you get around to it, all of these gutter rails are all rusty and you're never going to fix them. There's a little hole in the roof there. This is all completely rotted out, both sides. The whole back panel obviously is gone and we've had to cut that out. This rear quarter's damaged, all up in here is all rust there. The boot is not safe, that's beyond. Both doors are gone, the wing's gone, the bonnet's gone. I can't get my head around spending the time doing it. That coupled with, I've read a lot online recently about the DVLA and the DVSA targeting vehicles like this sort of thing, and then basically targeting them, because as much as it is and it's safe to be, you're not really supposed to do that chassis swapping. Basically it's like in the 90s, cut and shutting. So yeah, we're just not going to carry on with it. By the time this video comes out, the shell will be cut to pieces and scrapped. I'm going to keep the Golf, the van rear quarter panels, and we'll sell them because I think they're worth something. But the actual shell itself will be cut up and be in that pile down there and have gone for scrap. So yeah, not what we wanted to do or how we wanted to do it, but I just feel that for my mental health, if you like, and everything, it's the right move, because I've been worrying about this I made the decision quite a while ago, and I've been worrying about putting a video out and telling you all about that we're not doing it anymore, because I've got you all excited for it. But yeah, I just don't feel it's the right move and the right thing to do. We have got, as I mentioned in the last workshop video, we have got another project that is sat in the garden, which Abby isn't very happy about, that we're going to be getting out of the garden into the workshop hopefully this week and announcing and making a start on, which is actually a solid car and isn't too bad. So yeah, that's going to be an exciting one to get on with. But yeah, apologies guys, we're not getting on with this. Hope you can all understand my reasoning. Like I say, I know I'm going to get loads of abuse for it, but yeah, hope you can understand my reasoning. And yeah, get excited for the other project that we are doing, and that is going to be happening. And I may have potentially bought another project as well. Still in the early stages, but I may have bought something else as well. So yeah, sorry guys, hope you've enjoyed this one. Until next time, enjoy.